Alright, next up is advanced morph copy. First, I'll show you the morphs I'm trying to copy and why we need to use advanced. So here I have, let's say for example, I created a jaw open expression, and I want to bring it to my main mesh, which is this one that has no morphs, or it could have a ton of morphs, but you don't want to re-import the whole thing. These should be, I thought they were identical, but they're not. There's something slightly off about the vertices, but they're close enough. So if I tried to use regular copy and use what you would normally do for identical meshes with just one vertice and pressed copy, there would be issues. And I'll show you those issues once it's done here. So let's not save it. Now if I zoom in and take a look at jaw open, you can see there was some issues with the teeth. I'm not sure what the issues were, but there's some precision somewhere that's messed up. So there is a way we can fix this, and it's with the new advanced copy. So for the teeth, instead of using 3D proximity, we know that the UV map is identical. So I'm going to use a UV map proximity for the teeth, and for the face I'll still use 3D. So how you would do this is you need to create section mappings and map materials to each other. So here I want to map the teeth in my no morphs mesh to the teeth in this one. So in my source mesh, the mouth is 7, is element 7, and over here it is also 7. So this is pretty easy. So you put for your source material index, I'm going to put 7, and for my target I'm also going to put 7, and I want the method to be UV proximity. We're going to use UV index 0 for both the source and target. And then I'm going to add another section mapping for the head, and the head on my target, which is this mesh, is 3. I'm pretty sure it's 3 on this one as well. Yep, 3. So it's been pretty easy. 3, 3. Keep everything else as default, but I need to add the source mesh, the jaw morphs mesh, and should be good to go. Let's do advanced copy morphs. Alright, it's done. Let's take a look and see if that fixed it. Yes, it did. The teeth no longer have that issue. And that's how you use advanced copy.